guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you very much. Today I want to share with you one of the trending topics in Somalia right now, the birth of our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Guys, this event has taken over the streets and social media. Let's dive in. Why it's important? What happened? Guys, thousands, in Mogadishu and other cities, thousands of people gathered in mosques and public places to celebrate Mawlid. Photos and videos flooded in social media, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Okay, so there were prayers, Sufi traditional songs, people dressed in white, waving green flags. Okay, so that shows you how important it is to celebrate people celebrated Prophet Muhammad, the birth of our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. So this was this guys making the hottest trending topic in Somalia right now. Okay, so what's important? It's important for two things. This event shows you two major things, guys. Number one, it's the unity of Somali society, and people can people coming together peacefully. Okay, and the second point is the return of Sufi traditions. Okay, a spiritual tradition, the revival of Sufi spiritual that has been decreased, suppress it for years now. Probably revive it and celebrate it. Okay, and guys, okay, the impact on social media. If you look, videos and Mawlid, videos flooded in social media like Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. Mawlid videos, live streams, and messages of joy, making and showing you this how strongly Somali people are celebrating. Okay, and celebrating Mawlid and also their culture and faith. Okay, so that's really important, guys. Okay, because this can become a unifying trending online. Okay, so guys, Mawlid celebration is in 2025 is just more than a celebration. It's a message of joy, peace. Mawlid in 2025 is more than just a celebration. It is a peace. It's a message of peace, unity, and it shows you guys, faith and culture can bring people together. Okay, more than divisions. So it's very powerful, very important. It's good to celebrate our Prophet Muhammad, the birth of Prophet Muhammad, because there were divisions before, and as I told you before, guys, the return of Sufi culture is very important because it has been suppressed for years now. So it's proudly revived and celebrated now in Mogadishu and other parts of the country. Okay, so that's why you see people really chanting, in streets, waving green flags, dressed in white, proudly celebrating the birth of our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and everyone is really happy, and everyone is really happy to celebrate the Prophet and really enjoy this moment. Okay, this moment can become a unifying trend online, guys. So that's very important, and I'm also happy myself to celebrate the birth of Prophet Muhammad. He was the last messenger that Allah has sent to us. So anyway, guys, okay, if you watch this video, don't forget to subscribe, share your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, and don't forget to hit smash that like button. Okay, so let me ask you this question: what does Mawlid mean to you? Okay, share your thoughts or your comments in the comment section. I would love to see them. Thanks for watching. My name is Fatah Bukar. I will see you in the next one. Peace and love. Cheers. Bye bye.